Embracing 2026 with purpose and drive, you are looking forward to 2026, right? You've got dreams, goals, and aspirations. You've got a vision for your life, your business, and your future. But here's the thing. Your 2025 results don't define you. Whether you made it to 7.0, 99% success rate, or you're below 50%, it doesn't matter. There's no such thing as failed woefully. There's only growth, learning, and progress. As you draft your New Year resolutions, ask yourself, what do I need to succeed in 2026? If it's money to start a business, then go get it. Take up a job, swallow your ego, and do what needs to be done. You need investment, and that's okay. But don't just invest in any industry you know nothing about. Do your research, understand the market, and make informed decisions. And most importantly, do you have the mental stamina to start that business you've been dreaming of? Because most businesses require patience, courage, and resilience. Let's get real. There's no quick money-making machine anywhere without risk. You must pay the sacrifice first or sooner. If you cherish freedom and free time, you may not be successful in your business. Why? Because great entrepreneurs don't have holidays at work. They put in the time, effort, and sweat to make their dreams a reality. So, what's holding you back? Is it fear? Doubt? Procrastination? Let it go. Grab your goals, grab your dreams, and run with them. When you plan, budget, and strategize, review and request feedback on your projections. Don't be afraid to ask questions, seek guidance, and learn from others. And for God's sake, don't expect to have free time. If you don't close up, then what are you doing in business? What is closing ups? It simply means getting feedback, contacting your clients, visiting customers, seeing what they're looking at, hearing them out, and giving a listening ear. It's about strategically interacting with them, giving assurance that you care about them and you're ready to give your best to ensure they get value for their money spent per naira on your products or services. This alone will keep your old and new customers coming to your store. If you're not ready to do these, stay clear off business in 2026. So, here's your challenge. Take action. Make 2026 the year you rise above the noise. Make it the year you achieve your dreams. Make it the year you become the best version of yourself. You got this. You've got the power, the potential, and the passion. Now go out there and crush it. Here are 5 take-home key points. 1. Don't be afraid to start small. Every big thing starts with a small step. 2. Surround yourself with people who lift you up and support your dreams. 3. Stay focused, stay committed, and stay patient. 4. Celebrate your small wins, but don't get complacent. 5. Learn from your failures, but don't let them define you. Let's make the new year an unforgettable one. If you're inspired, don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel, like and share to inspire others. Thank you.